Hi people, in this tutorial I'm going to create a 3-layer video using the Capcut application. Alright, let's get into it.
Okay, let's get started. First, open Capcut, click on New Project, and select the video that you want to use for this particular demonstration. I'm going to use this video. So, after selecting the video, I'll change the aspect ratio because I want it to be 1916 aspect ratio. So, it looks like this on your screen. So, I'm going to import more videos. Go to Overlay, click on Overlay, and select the video that you want to add to. I'm adding same video, but you can decide to add a different video to use. But I'm going to use same video for the 3 videos that I'm going to show. But what I'm going to do is to stagger different scene on the interface. So I'm going to move this away from the screen, then move the other one up the top of the screen. It will look like this. So I'm going to stretch them out to fit into the screen. To stretch this out to fit in the screen, click on the other video and stretch to fit the screen as well. Move this down, then just position all the videos so that they can match into the actual size of my canvas of my workspace. So I'm going to position all the videos so they fit in properly. So do the same to your video, just like I do. Okay. So next step, I'm going to stagger the video so the different scenes can be shown differently instead of having the same scene on the screen. So what I'll do is to cut out. So I'll select the video at the middle and click on split and delete the front part. I'll do the same to the next video. Click on the video, select split and delete the front part and drag it to the beginning. So we have different scenes showing up. Can you see how it looks? So what I'm going to do now is to do an animation for the videos. I want the middle one to come into through slide to the left, while the top one slide into the towards the right. So go to at the middle, go to animations, then in animation select slide to the left, then go to the top video, the video on top, go to animations and slide to the right. Then on the bottom video, click on the bottom video, click on the bottom video, go to animations and slide to the right. Okay, that's what I did there. Okay, my final step is to go to the end of the video and trim off the extra length that I have at the end of the videos so it can balance out, so the three videos ends at the same time. So after that, I export my video and I have something that looks like this. And that's how you create a split screen video or a three-layer video using the Capcut application. Do well to subscribe and like the video so I can create more contents like this.